how to achieve quality excellence in the manufacturing process in line with quality for quality. ಇದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ನ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇವೆ. ಇದು ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರ್ ಕೊಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ CA ಮನೋಹರ್ ಕಾರ್ಪೊರೇಟ್ ಟ್ರೈನರ್ ಲಾರ್ಸನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟೂಬ್ರೋ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್ ಅವರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯ ಪರವಾಗಿ ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಸರ್. HS ಸುರೇಶ್ ಬಾಬು ಸಹ ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಹೃತ್ಪೂರ್ವಕವಾದ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತ ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಟೆಕ್ನಿಕಲ್ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆಲಯ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಮೆಂಬರ್ ಆದ ಅನಿತಾ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶ್ ಅವರು ಬಹಳ ವಿಶೇಷವಾದ ಆಸಕ್ತಿ ವಹಿಸಿ ಸ್ವಾಗತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ರೆಟರೀಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಬಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ತಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ವಿಶೇಷವಾಗಿ ಸುಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.
So, once again, Chairman, Secretary, distinguished guests, Mr. CA Manohar is not an easy. His profile is so rich. It's my proud privilege to present before you our esteemed speaker, Shri CA Manohar. Sir, on behalf of...
Oh, nice.
We go by purpose, what is the strategy and what is the execution. So in purpose, we always have mission, values, vision. First thing is we should have a strategy. Strategy of every organization, every institute, whatever they come up with, most of the organizations, and we work towards and all those things. Now this has been told by Swami Vivekananda. Action without vision is struggle. Action with vision is success. Because there's two differences he was able to tell. Then he said, okay, we will think about it. Then they got down in Chicago. And Swami Vivekananda became a great person to ensure that our culture, how it worldwide. So after becoming a great person, then Jamshedji thought about Swami Vivekananda telling that we met in a ship. You told me that I can bring steel, manufacturing technology, but steels and within the country. Now I want your help and support to start a science institute in our country. So that's what he requested. Then Swami Vivekananda said, I can help you, but I have got a lot of disciples from Cambridge University. I can send it to them, send it to you, you can take their support. But Jamshedji Tata said, I want your personal support, help so that we can make this institute. So that way, Swami Vivekananda accepted for that. When they accepted, they were trying to see whether they can start this science institute either in Mumbai or at Ahmedabad. They were trying to see. When Swami Vivekananda came back to India, he wrote a letter to Mysore Maharaja, telling that you have given me a platform where I was able to expose our culture and all those things. So I have become like this. So I am very grateful to you. So these people came to know that we wanted to start a science institute either in Mumbai or Ahmedabad. Then Mysore Maharaja and Shastra came forward and they said, Jamshedji Tata, see, they got a very great respect for Swami Vivekananda and knowledge. So we will donate 372 acres of land free of cost. And then what are the infrastructure required at Bangalore? So Mysore Maharaja, now we are talking about everywhere, across any business units and every industries, we are talking about zero defect. But now Prime Minister level, they say that zero defect, zero effect. So that way, zero work, zero forum. When I take some 50 people, 60 people in our LNT across business unit, when I ask them, in this particular unit, who is responsible? Second is continuous improvement we talk about. And whatever we talk about is plan, do, check, act. And front-end transformation. Break is to top non-conformance right from the initial stage, every stage proactively, zero defect, and without any rework. That means everyone is account for the quality. So now, some people can think that many times it is not possible because people think that this is not possible, that is not possible, nothing is possible. So to make things possible, we talk about 4M, 6M, 5M control, how to control those things. Like management always says quality is top priority. Because in any organization, management will not compromise on quality. At any point of time, management says quality is very important, top priority. You don't compromise on quality. So that is being followed in all the organizations as well. Nobody can give non-conformance because everything is audited. Because in an organization things are audited, in a college things are audited. So it will work consistently. Today we are doing good work. Tomorrow also we have to do good work. Day after tomorrow also we have to do good work. So quality has to be achieved consistently. We have to achieve the quality. So one thing is very important that continuous achievement has to be there consistently. And all of us do not have equal talent and skill, but all beings need training, and all non-living things need calibration. Because we have seen in our plan do check that is very important in our process. When we do plan do check that, we can achieve zero defect. That this was told by Denny, who is a quality guru. So satisfaction. So those things we need to see whether those things we are following, so that customer vision and discount implemented in the colleges also. Because we need to find out what more implemented and things make good. Like this interrupting digital technology. Nowadays we are talking about digital technology. Doing function and quality management is direction. Now in our organization in LA we have got some quality gate. Quality gate means whatever comes with. So told by quality guru, Demi, so that data driven decision making. Because you have been told long time back. Factual data, not on opinions. Because any decisions is taken in a fair. I don't believe in taking the right decision. I take decisions and make them right. Showed you, all of us do not have equal talent, yet all of us have got an equal opportunity to develop our talent. Because there is a great person who had fought and he was very instrumental in Krishna Sagar talent. So he was very instrumental in that and also a great impact in our life. Because main thing is planning is very important. Whatever you do, many things cannot be improved. So whatever we are getting measured, we can then only try to manage that. If you don't measure, now just I want to give just what is 6 Sigma. 6 Sigma means 3.4 different 1 million opportunity. Because this English word opportunity that means when you are making 1 million computers, laptop, there are possibility of having 1 or 2 or 3 deficiencies in the system process. Many times our process is not controlled. System is not. We talk about people, process, things are there. And now, only thing this quality 4.0 says that everyone is responsible for quality in the organization. For blaming the department, like blaming one person or another, finding fault with one person or another, we want to eliminate all of those things. Only we say that if things happen good, people have to appreciate it. If something goes wrong, everyone is responsible because in organization they have got level 1, level 2, level 3 documents so that we follow those things. Even in the colleges they follow those requirements. What is changing in today's world? In today's world, the changes are technology, regulations, customer, business model, competition. Now these things have changed in today's scenario. Now to expand, hard work, outstanding work, network, excellent work, smart work, and finally teamwork. Starting out, straightening, shine, standardize, sustain. These things were there in the organization so that our areas, like we feel that shop road should be like this. We should have it. Whether doing audit electronic. Now, top management always says quality is very important and they try to bring process standardization in different sector. Now, I was taking some green channel. We create more confidence and ensure ourselves that double check that so that everything is perfect before we offer to the final customer. It can be, they need to select right people for the right job. They should have a test, they should have voice of the customer. Voice of the customer should be calculated 100%. Department one is very, very important. So they do design FMEA, so that they do design. And planning department, like planning, ability, machine capacity, machine capacity, they look for L1. They said the voice to so we are gone. That is not the right thing. Many times I tell it is not acceptable for me. I'm in quality for a long time. I said I will not accept whether L1, L2. I want this type of supply. I want this type of quality. I will be very firm. I will not accept at all. I will not listen to anybody in this company. I will tell. So that knowledge to do everything, and we should be able to tell that I am a self-certified supplier. Many times the people will try to do some shortcuts. They say that it's a third-party inspection. Process control. No process steps. What are the processes you should have? It's a process department, they should have the right people, they should have trained people. In maintenance, we're talking about zero breakdown. Now we're talking about TPM. So quality assurance, we are now will take less time, like we are trying to use now earlier days. Then we are talking about input, value adding, output. We cannot do non-value adding activity. Value adding, if you add, it will take some distance. Data is there, analysis has to become a positive culture, Indian culture. So we are talking about safety culture. So status also fits into 100 concept. Also fits into 100. And Excel, I said this. computer, we are trying to say no lever, detecting, like always we aim exactly. So these are the things I got it. Somebody can try also.
Hi, like that.
Yeah.
You will not give some scores.
Yeah.
What is significance?
Simply that I'm only putting score of that A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4. Like that I'm.
Does it carry any meaning?
So you talked about these goals of an organization. Normally, as far as I've seen, there are some very unrealistic goals set up by the management. I don't know whether you have experienced such things. So normally they make sure that it's not achievable. So do they revise periodically, and how does it go about? I just wanted to know your stand on this through your experience.
Requirements. Like now, whatever we are doing in an organization, we want to produce first time right quality. Now they say that first time right. It is
You mentioned there are two questions essentially which I'd like to ask. You gave an elaborate presentation of how to achieve quality. I would like to know what will be the percentage of cost attributable to this quality assurance and quality control as compared to the cost of selling price of the product. That's my first question. The second is, you stressed the importance of training, and also you showed some breakup of some words, attitude and things like that. To my mind, it's not fully applicable, particularly under conditions in India.
understand that the old technology will not work, now the new technology has to work. For that, people have to be given proper training and then upgrade their skill level and see that they are the part of the organization, because they should feel that I am also part of this organization. So that
Good presentation today. Actually, it is very helpful to the younger generation and students. Thank you very much, sir.